Freedom Scientific, a Vispero brand.
We're back in Microsoft Word, and we're going to show you how to use the Skim reading tool to find highlighted text. Previously, I used something called voice schemes to do it, and this took a little bit more time because when I need to find that item, I need to use the command to switch to colors and then read the entire document until I find the items that are highlighted in yellow. Instead, this time I'm going to use a command, something called the Skim reading tool, to find that text for me. All right, I'm in this document and I'm at the top of the document. I'm going to press Insert F2 to bring up my list of JAWS managers.
Run JAWS Manager dialog.
And I'm going to type Skim.
Skim reading tool 18 of 19.
Press enter.
Skim reading dialog. Rules history : combo box */yellow 2 of 2.
And you can see I already have a rule here looking for the word, looking for items that are highlighted in yellow. So what I want to do now is run this summary of this.
Use rule type : help button, close button, create summary button.
And there's the create summary button. I shift tab to that item.
Link 1. Theme: the pictures, charts, and smart art graphics change to match your new theme when you apply. Link 1 period. Theme, the pictures, charts, and smart art graphics change to match your new theme period when you apply.
And what it did is it loaded something called the virtual viewer. And it has a link to that section of the document in here so I can jump directly to it.
1. Theme: the pictures, charts, and smart art.
And there's only one item highlighted in yellow, so I'll go ahead and press enter on it.
Enter. Test.docs-word. Edit.
And I'll read current word.
Theme, the pictures.
And I landed on pictures. So it took me to the beginning of that line and put me at the beginning of the line, and then I can move forward until I find the word pictures, which is highlighted in yellow.
Pictures. 11 point, black on yellow, calibri, normal style, line spacing, 1 lines, paragraph formatting,
and I
line.
pressed Insert F to confirm that that was highlighted in yellow.
Freedom Scientific, a Vispero brand. To stay up to date on upcoming webinars and training events, complete the sign-up form at freedomscientific.com/webinars. Thanks again for connecting with us.